IELTS Top Listening Tips. Section 1 and 2 are related to non-academic or social context, while sections 3 and 4 are related to academic context. Section 1 and 3 have conversation, while section 2 and 4 have a single speaker. Section 4 is a lecture. Please note the instructions carefully. For example, answer should not be more than 3 words and/or a number. You can write all answers in lower or uppercase. 7. You need to write answers in pencil only. There is no negative marking. 9. Answers are in sequence only. At the beginning of every section and at the end of every section, there is a 30 seconds break. Use the time at the end of the section to go to next question, as recording is played once only. Thus you can get 1 minute for section 2, 3 and 4 to read the questions. 11. In sections 1, 2 and 3 there is a 20 seconds break after every 5 questions, but it is not there in section 4. For online IELTS training, www.onlineieltspreparation.com. Email, sacaid@gmail.com.